Good morning, students. Last time we just started the second chapter, that is fractions and decimals, and also we discussed for each fraction the types of fraction, that are proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, and also we just discussed some more types of fraction, that are decimal fraction, equivalent fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction. So today we'll discuss about the next part of this chapter, that is comparison of fraction, addition and subtraction of fraction. Right now, so students, don't be late, let's start. So students, first of all we'll discuss the comparison of fraction. Comparison means if two or more fractions are given, then we have to find which one of the fractions is greater fraction and which one is the smaller fraction. Right now, so look at here it is a question. Two fractions are given here, 3/4 and 2/3, and here the question is which is a greater fraction among the two fraction, or between the two fraction, which is a greater fraction. Right now, so whenever we are finding the greater fraction or smaller fraction, we should remember such things, that first of all convert the fractions into like fraction. Look at here 3/4 and 2/3, these are unlike fractions. As you know, last time we have just discussed the like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fraction means if the denominators are same, then they are called like fraction, and if the numerator and denominators are different, then they are called unlike fraction. So look at here both 3/4 and 2/3 are unlike fraction. So first of all we have to make it like fraction. Then here is another question, how can we make it like fraction? Right now, so here are two steps that we can make the unlike fraction into like fraction. So what are the steps? The first step is take the LCM of denominator. टेक द LCM ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर्स. ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है 4 and 3, इन दोनों का LCM लेना है. यू नो दैट देयर इज नो कॉमन फैक्टर इन बिटवीन 4 and 3, देन द LCM of 4 and 3 विल बी their product. So 4 into 3, it will be 12. LCM of 4 and 3 is equal to 12. Right now, the second step, multiply suitable number to make the denominator equals to the LCM. मतलब यहाँ जो 3/4 है, यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर के साथ, दैट इज 4 के साथ हम ऐसे नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जैसे कि ये LCM के साथ सेम होगा, मतलब 12 के साथ सेम होगा. मतलब 4 के साथ कितना मल्टीप्लाई करने से 12 होता है? यस, it is 3. 4 3 are 12. Then what is the second part? Multiply suitable number to make the denominator equal to the LCM and multiply the same number to the numerator also. इसका मतलब जितना हम डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वही सेम नंबर न्यूमरेटर के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा टू बैलेंस द फ्रैक्शन. राइट नाउ, सो 3 into again 3, it will be 3 3 is 9 and 4 3 is 12. हम जो सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन है उसी में भी ऐसे ही सेम स्टेप रिपीट करेंगे. हियर इट इज़ 2/3, एंड टू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल्स टू द LCM, हियर टू मेक 3 to 12, what we have to multiply with? We have to multiply with 4, that is 3 4s are 12. Right now, and if we multiply 4 to the denominator, we have to multiply 4 to the numerator also. So 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8, here it is 3 4s are 12. Look at here 8 9/12 and it is 8/12. Which one is greater part? Yes, 9/12 is greater part. So 9/12 is greater than 8/12, and you know 9/12 is equal to 3/4. So 3/4 is greater than 8/12 is equal to 2/3. In this way we can compare the fraction as which one is greater fraction and which one is smaller fraction. बट स्टूडेंट्स, तुम अगर जानना चाहते हो तो मैं तुम्हें एक शॉर्टकट मेथड बता दूंगा कैसे हम ये सब नहीं करके भी बता सकते हैं कि कौन सा फ्रैक्शन ग्रेटर है एंड कौन सा फ्रैक्शन स्मॉलर है। बट ये जो मैं तुम्हें अभी बताऊंगा मेथड्स, तुम इसको कोई भी अप्लाई नहीं करना है, जस्ट यू हैव टू नो, तुम्हें जानना है सिर्फ। इन फ्यूचर तुम अगर चाहो तो कहीं अप्लाई कर सकते हो। कैसे? जस्ट सी, यहाँ लिखा है 3/4 एंड यहाँ लिखा है 2/3। राइट नाउ just multiply the 4 with 2 and multiply the 3 with 3. Right now 3 3s are, it is 9 and 4 2s are, it is 9, it is 8. So अभी बताओ 9 और 8 में से कौन सा ग्रेटर है? 9 ग्रेटर है। 9 is greater than 8, also 3/4 is greater than 2/3. It is very simplest method, लेकिन अभी तुम्हें ये यूज नहीं करना है, अभी ये मेथड से तुम्हें यूज करना है जो नंबर सॉल्व करोगे। राइट नाउ नेक्स्ट कम टू सॉल्व द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स। राइट नाउ द फर्स्ट वन इज क्वेश्चन, रमेश सॉल्व्ड 2/7 parts of an exercise while Sima solved 4/5 part of it. Who solved lesser part? यहाँ क्वेश्चन है कि रमेश कोई भी एक एक्सरसाइज का 2/7 पार्ट सॉल्व कर दिया एंड सीमा 4/5 पार्ट सॉल्व कर दिया, लेकिन अभी कन्फ्यूजन ये है कि उनमें से कौन ज़्यादा सॉल्व किया है, सॉरी हु सॉल्व द लेसर पार्ट, कौन कम सॉल्व किया है। देन हाउ कैन वी फाइंड इट? जस्ट कंपेयरिंग द टू फ्रैक्शन। राइट नाउ जस्ट कंपेयरिंग द टू फ्रैक्शन। देन हाउ कैन वी कंपेयर इट? वी जस्ट लर्न how to compare the fractions. Right now first of all we have to make the fractions like fractions. Right now so here the fractions are 2/7 and 4/5. 2/7 रमेश सॉल्व किया है, सो रमेश सॉल्व दिस मच दिस पार्ट, एंड 4/5 ये सीमा सॉल्व किया है, सो सीमा सॉल्व दिस पार्ट। कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल्स टू देयर एलसीएम, एंड व्हाट विल बी इट देयर एलसीएम? 7 and 5, there is no common factor in between 7 and 5, then their LCM will be their products. Right now 7 into 5, 7 5s are 35. Here the LCM of 7 and 5 is equal to 35. So to make 7 to 35 we have to multiply it with 5. Right now so 2/7 and 7 into 5 it will be 35, and h we have multiplied 7/5, then we have to multiply 2 by also 5. So 2 5 is a 10 divided by 7 5 is a 35. Again we'll do the same to 4/5. Here it is 4/5, and to make 5 to 35 we have to multiply it with 7, and h we have multiplied 5/7, then we have to multiply 4/7 also. 4 7s are 28 and 5 7s are 35. Now say which is the greater part, 28/35 or 10/35? As you know 28/35 is greater than 10/35, and which is the lesser part? 10/35. So 10/35 is less than 28/35. So here 28/35 it is equal to 4/5. 4/5 is greater than 10/35, it is 2/7. Then what will be the answer? Who solved the lesser part? Lesser part, it means 2/7 is the lesser part. Who solved it? Ramesh. So answer will be Ramesh solved lesser part. Right now next let us know the addition of fraction. Right now the first question, add 2/5 and 7/5. It is very easy. 2/5 plus 7/5, as both the fractions are like fractions, so it is very easy. Here it is 5, 2 plus 7, 7 plus 2, 9/5. Right now in this way we can do the sum. But if the fractions are unlike fraction, then how can we add 3/7 and 1/2? Here we have to make the fraction like fraction. Here we have to make the fraction like fraction, then we have to add. Right now, then how can we make it like fractions? Just take the LCM of the denominators. Right now then 7 into 2, as there is no common factor in between 7 and 2, then their LCM will be 7 2 is 14. Right now So to make 7 to 14, we have to multiply it with 2, then 3 by 7, 7 into 2, and as we have multiplied 7 by 2, we have to multiply 3 by 2 also. 3 2 is a 6 and 7 2 is a 14. Right now, here it is 1 by 2, and to make 2 to 14, we have to multiply it with 7, and as we have multiplied 2 by 7, we have to multiply 1 by 7 also. 1 7 is 7 divided by 7 2 is a 14. Now we can add easily. Right now 4 by 14 and 7 by 14. Let us add 4 by 14 plus 7 by 14. Right now we can add 4 by 14, sorry, it is 6 by 14, 6 by 14 and 7 by 14. Then here it will 14 and it will be 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7, 13 by 14. Right now here the sum of 3 by 7 and 1 by 2 will be 13 by 14. Right now, so let us discuss a question. Right here the question is, Samira purchased 3 whole 1 by 2 kg apples and 4 whole 3 by 4 kg oranges. What is the total weight of the fruits purchased by her? Look at here, students. If we want to calculate the total weights, then we have to add the two fractions right now. And look at here, both the fractions are mixed fraction. So first of all, we have to convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. Then समीरा परचेज किया है कितना, 3 whole 1 by 2 kg. तो हम लोग लिखेंगे समीरा परचेस्ड 3 whole 1 by 2 kg is equal to, if we convert it into improper fraction, then it will be 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2 kg. Here apples and समीरा परचेस्ड ऑरेंजेस, ऑरेंज कितना परचेज किया है, 4 whole 3 by 4 kg. Then it will be 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 by 4 kg orange. Right now look at here, both the fractions are unlike fraction. So first of all, we have to make the fractions as like fraction. To make it like fraction, first of all, we have to take the LCMs of denominator, that first denominator is 2 and second denominator is 4. The LCM of 2 and 4, LCM of 2 and 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, here 2 into 2 is equal to 4, LCM is equal to 4. LCM कितना मिला हमें, 4 मिला. Then we have to make the denominator 4. Right now here it is 7 by 2. If you want to make the 2 as 4, then we have to multiply it with 2, and as we have multiplied 2 by 2, then we have to multiply 7 by 2 also. 7 2s are 14, 14 by 4 right now. And look at the second fraction, it is already 4, so there is need not to make it 4. So students, let us add the two fraction. Right now the total weight of fruits is equal to 14 by 4 plus 19 by 4. Right now, so it will be here, it will be 4 and 14 plus 19, 9 plus 4 13, 3 carry over 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 13 by 4 kg. And again, if we want to make it into mixed fraction, then it will be just divide 33 by 4. Right now 4 8s are 32, 33 minus 32, it is 1, and the quotient will be whole number, 8 whole 1 by 4 kg. Here it is the answer. Right now, so students, as we have learned the addition of fraction, let us learn the subtraction of fraction. Right now, So here the first question is subtract 7 by 11 from 9 by 11. तो हमें 9 by 11 से 7 by 11 को subtract करना है. Then just write 9 by 11 minus 7 by 11. Here it will be 11 and 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 it is 2 by 11. The answer will be 2 by 11. But if we want to subtract 4 by 9 from 1 whole 2 by 3, how can we subtract it? First of all, we will make the mixed fraction into improper fraction. But after that, the two fractions will be unlike fraction. So first of all, we have to make it as like fraction, then we will subtract. So subtract 4 by 9 from, first of all, let's convert into improper fraction. 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 by 3, right now. So we have to subtract 4 by 9 from 5 by 3. First of all, let's convert both the fractions into like fraction. To make the denominator equals, we have to take the LCM right now. LCM of 9 and 3, it will be 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. So H 4 by 9, यहाँ ऑलरेडी डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट में 9 है तो इसको कोई चेंज करना नहीं है. देन 5 by 3. टू मेक 3 to 9 we have to multiply it with 3, and as we have multiplied 3 to the denominator, we have to multiply 3 to the numerator also. 5 into 3, it is 5 3 is 15, 15 by 3 3 is 9, right now. So now let us subtract from 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means 15 by 9 minus 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Here the denominator is 9 and 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4, 11. 11 by 9. Right now. So students, let us discuss word problem of subtraction of fractions right now. Here the question is, Suman studies 5 whole 2 by 3 hours daily. तो सुमन डेली कितना आवर पढ़ता है? 5 whole 2 by 3 hours. Right now, she devotes 2 whole 4 by 5 hours of her time for science and mathematics. So उनमें से साइंस और मैथमेटिक्स के लिए कितना टाइम वो देता है? 2 whole 4 by 5 hours. Right now, then here the question is, how much time does she devotes for other subject? तो वो बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए कितना टाइम पे देता है? राइट ना. तो H, we read the question, it's confirmed that we have to subtract. हमें subtract करना है. From which fraction to which fraction? From the whole time to the time she used for science and mathematics. Right now. So here the question is same as the previous one, but the operation is different. Here we have to subtract right now, but before subtraction we have to make the fractions as like fraction. Look at here, both the fractions are mixed fractions. So first of all we will convert it into improper fraction, then we will convert it into like fraction, then we will subtract right now. So let's solve. Solution right now. So first we will write the total time of Suman. Total study time of Suman is equal to 5 whole 2 by 3 hour is equal to 3 5 is a 15, 15 2 is a 17 by 3 hour right now. And for science and mathematics, she devotes or she use the time 2 whole 4 by 5 hour is equal to 5 times 10, 10 plus 4, 14 by 5 hour. We just make the fractions as improper fraction, then we have to make both the fraction as like fraction. Right now here it is 17 by 3 and 14 by 5. So 14 by 5 ये जो है ये फॉर साइंस एंड मैथ के लिए से वो यूज करता है, and 17/3 it is the total time right now. So to make the fractions like fraction, we have to take the LCM, and here 3 and 5, the LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 3 5s are 15, as there is no common factor in between 3 and 5. So to make the denominators equal to the LCM, that is 15, first of all here we have to multiply 3 with 5 to make it 15, and as we have multiplied 5 to the denominator, we have to multiply 5 to the numerator also. 3 5s are, it is 15 right now, and 17 5s are, it is 85 right. Again we will convert 14/5 to make it 15. We have to multiply 5 with 3, again we have to multiply 14/3. 14 3s are 42 and 5 3s are 15. देखो बोथ द फ्रैक्शंस अभी लाइक फ्रैक्शन हो गया. अभी सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. किससे किसको सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है? टोटल टाइम से साइंस और मैथ के लिए वो जितना टाइम देता है उसको सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ठीक है. सो लेट अस सब्सट्रैक्ट. टोटल टाइम क्या है? 17/3 इट इज़ 85/15 माइनस फॉर साइंस एंड मैथ इट इज़ 42/15 right now. So it will be 15 and here 85 minus 42. 5 minus 2 it is 3 and 8 minus 4 again it is 4/15 hour right now. And if we want to make it mixed fraction, then we will divide just 43 divided by 15. 15 2s are 30, 15 3 are 45, so we will take 15 2s are 30. 3 minus 0 it is 3, 4 minus 3 it is 1 right now. So it will be 2 whole 13/15 hour. Here is our answer. The answer part will be she devotes 2 whole 13/15 hour to other subject right now. And students, in this way you can solve the addition and subtraction of fractions right now. So for today this much. We will discuss the multiplication and division of fractions in our next classes. So before that I will give you some question in the next class. You have to solve that right now. Thank you.